What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video in Sheikh Nabil Fitness, and today I will be talking about how can you calculate your maintenance calories.
He's a commando, ninja, a force of nature rising. Commando, ninja, he's thunder and he's lightning. Commando, ninja.
Now if you don't know what is calories, calorie is your body's fuel, alright? So if you don't eat rightly, you are going to get skinny or lose weight, but at the same time you are going to get unhealthy and lose all the muscle if you are doing weight training, alright? So if you haven't watched the previous video, you have to watch that, because this is that video. In that video I have talked about how can you lose weight in the correct way, alright, which has no BS, by the way. So let's get started. You'll find a link in description which will redirect you in calculator website. This is where you are going to calculate your maintenance calories. So just follow me along. So in that website you have to put your height, weight, in weight in lbs, your height, your age, and if you are male or female. Now remember, all the formula in this world for for calculating your calories is not accurate at all right? It's not 100% accurate. All the formula in the world not accurate at all. It's around 90 to 95% accurate. So this is why everyone follows it, and by everyone I mean every professional guys out there, all right? Now after calculating, what you are going to do is you are going to let's say this is your you are a beginner, all right? You have never done weight lose stuff before. So what are you going to do? You're going to cut down 500 calories from your maintenance calories, and this is where how you will be in a caloric deficit. Let's say I'm 63 kgs, my maintenance calories is 2300, all right? Let's just say. So if I want to get more leaner, I have to be in 200 to 300 deficit, all right? After that, week by week I will be losing fat, all right? And as I have said before, you don't have to lose your weight like super quickly. You have to lose it slowly. If you lose quickly, you're going to lose your muscles too. And what about if you want to gain weight? Let's say you are a skinny person. What you're going to do is you're going to eat in a surplus. I know many skinny people can't eat like totally very big in big bowls. So what you have to do, you have to eat in a surplus in a certain way that you can handle them and you are not going to vomit. Let's say it's your first day in surplus, you're going to eat 100 calories more. Next day 200, 300, 400, 500, in 1 week 700. And one more thing, if you're trying to get fat, all right, from skinny you're going to get bigger, there will be an issue when you eat in a 500, 700, 1000 surplus, you're going to get fat, all right? So yeah, I'll talk about this stuff in a later video, but I have already explained how can you calculate your maintenance calories and go in a deficit for losing weight, go in a surplus for gaining weight. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, goodbye, peace.